So you're working on a project. Things are going pretty well. Tasks are clear. The plan makes sense. Everything feels under control until someone says they're off next week, or you suddenly realise there's a holiday you didn't account for. That's when the dates and the whole project start to feel a little off, and you have to fix everything again. Skip non-working days is built to handle exactly this situation. When you're planning tasks, just open the task panel and turn on Skip non-working days. Xmind will prompt you to set up a calendar that reflects how your project actually works. Which days are working days and which ones aren't. If someone is on vacation or there's a public holiday, just add it as an exception. Once your calendar is set, Xmind will automatically adjust your task timelines to follow real working time. And if you find a project rhythm that works well, simply click Save as Calendar, so the next time you start a project, you can apply the same calendar right away. For teams, especially those with a custom work rhythm instead of a standard Monday to Friday schedule, you can create a shared calendar that matches how your team actually works. Simply go to the corresponding team space and set up a calendar there. New projects in that space will follow the new schedule, keeping everyone aligned without back and forth communication. Follow real working time with ease for your next projects in Xmind.